So here we can see Seismic Explorer is zoomed into the area of South America, and this stretch of land on the west coast is where the Andes Mountains are, the longest mountain chain. What we're going to look at is the pattern of earthquakes that are created on South America, on these Andes Mountains, and then we're going to check out what would this look like if we did a cross-section through the Andes Mountains. How would these earthquakes look underground? Is there a pattern? Are they occurring in certain locations? And we're going to try and figure out why. If there is a pattern, why is there a pattern? You'll notice on the left-hand side we have the Nazca plate, and on the right-hand side we have the South American plate. So first I'm going to start by allowing my earthquakes and volcanoes to plot from 1980 to present day. And again, the earthquakes are the circles and the volcanoes are the triangles. You notice the triangles, the volcanoes, they kind of pop up in a certain line, so they're in specific locations. And also the earthquake colors, which we already know are related to how deep those earthquakes are occurring underground, are creating a certain pattern. So you'll want to describe this pattern that the earthquakes are creating on the land. So as you move from the coastline, inward, what do you notice about the depth of the earthquakes? You'll respond to that and discuss with your lab group. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a cross section through part of this region. I want to include an area that has all different depths of earthquakes, from the shallow earthquakes that are red all the way to the blue earthquakes, which are very deep in the earth. So I'm going to draw my cross-section line through here. It looks like I have a good amount of colors that will be displayed. And I'm going to open my 3D view now. And this is going to show me what these earthquakes look like inside the earth, where they're located. So this is showing you the cross section going down into the earth. As I go further down, I go to 200 kilometers, 400, and then all the way down towards the bottom, 600 kilometers. I can rotate this so you could see it a little better, what's happening there below earth. You'll notice a pattern that emerges. Are the earthquakes just scattered about randomly? Or are they occurring in certain places at certain depths? You're going to want to discuss with your group what you see and come up with a reason as to why you see the pattern that you do.